Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change canvas size on Filmora application. To change the canvas size in Filmora, the first thing you'll need to do is to open the Filmora application on your mobile device. Once you are in the main homepage of Filmora, go ahead and click on the New Project button. Select the video you want to edit from your gallery and tap on it. Once you do, click on the Import button at the bottom right-hand corner. Once you've imported your video clip, scroll through the bottom menu and click on Scale. You will see various aspect ratio options such as 1:1, 4:5, 16:9, 9:16, and so on. Select the aspect ratio that you want for your canvas. Adjust the video within the selected canvas by pinching and dragging the video to fit as desired. After selecting and adjusting, preview your video by tapping on the play button. Once satisfied, tap on the export button at the top right corner and choose the desired resolution and format, and then click on export options available at the bottom according to your subscription type. So this process will help you change the canvas size of your video using the Filmora application. If you found the video to be helpful, make sure you give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.